Hamilton County health officials found a new group of mosquitoes carrying West Nile virus. The infected batch was found on Long Lane, that's in Finneytown. More traps are going up in the area to catch other pools where mosquitoes could be breeding. This is the fifth batch, by the way, of local mosquitoes to test positive for the West Nile. Earlier this month, an infected pool was found in North Avondale. West Nile was also detected in mosquitoes in Evanston, College Hill, and Harlan Township in Warren County. So far this year, there has only been one human, though, to test positive for West Nile virus. That was in Ohio, by the way. It was also in Cleveland. The Cincinnati Health Department has been setting up mosquito traps to find signs of Zika or West Nile virus. The Nile's Paul Lasura shares the findings with us.
When I set them, I collect them, then I freeze them, then send them up to Columbus, and they test them for the Zika virus.
Cool, so let's see, let's do this.
This is the mosquito catching routine Justin Ramey does 5 times a day, every day for the Cincinnati Health Department.
How many mosquitoes does this usually trap?
I would say the average is around 50.
In that batch, the health department can determine if there are West Nile or Zika viruses going around.
To cover their ground, the health department has set up more than 50 traps throughout the city, and so far they found some mosquitoes carrying the West Nile virus.
Actually, this year we've had 3 positives. Whereas last year around this time we've had 0.
The health department says that trend is similar to West Nile numbers experienced in 2012.
It is deadly. We saw our biggest uptick in terms of epidemic of West Nile virus in 2012. We're seeing just as many surveillance data cases in terms of mosquitoes that have been trapped that are on par at this time in 2012 when we had our last biggest epidemic.
The 3 positive batches the health department detected came from Avondale, Evanston, and College Hill. Meanwhile, Hamilton County Public Health says mosquitoes tested positive for West Nile in Springfield Township, and the Warren County Health District found some in Harlan Township.
It is concerning, and it is something that local health departments need to make sure that they're doing their surveillance and they're being vigilant.
So it's encouraging people in those locations to get rid of standing water around their house and use long clothing.
If you have to be out, you may want to avoid dusk and also dawn because that's the time that the Culex mosquito will feed.
For the Now Cincinnati, I'm Paul Lasura.